I wanted to talk to you guys today about splicing in trim. Sometimes it makes sense to replace an entire corner board all the way up to the 3rd floor if you've got rot, and other times it makes sense to just put a splice in. Now if you look, when this corner board was built, they put a joint right here, but they just put a butt joint, and because of that you start to get some rot here as well. What you can't see on camera is the bottom of the corner board is completely gone. It's rotted. So what I do is I make a jig out of whatever we have on stock. This happens to be stuff I grabbed out of my shop, and I make what I call a 45-degree splice. I double up some material, 45-degree bevel on it, as wide as the material that I'm going to be cutting or wider. I keep this in my trailer, and I can cut wider stock or thinner stock. Typically what I'll do is I'll set it up where I want the splice, which will be above this. Set it up there. I'll make sure it's level. I'll shoot maybe 1 or 2 finish nails in it, and I use it as a guide to put a multi-tool blade across, and it keeps my multi-tool blade at a 45-degree angle, following that angle, so that I can make that upcut. I always want to make sure that the bottom has this angle and the top has this angle. We want an overlapping coverage because you don't want water to go into your joint. You want it to overlap. You have to think like a raindrop. Anyway, this jig helps keep you honest, helps keep your blade straight, really nice cut, and then you can finish it off with new trim and a replacement. I hope this helps. Have a great weekend.